A flood warning was issued in Delhi by authorities after discharge from Haryana's Hatnikund barrage rose to over 3.22 lakh cusecs, which is actually the highest this season. The release of excess water has caused a steady rise in the river level in the city, and officials have warned that water levels in the Yamuna could cross the danger mark of 205.33 meters at the old railway bridge. How bad is the current situation? My colleague Anushka Garg reports from the national capital.
The national capital is right now under high alert as the water level in Yamuna is increasing steadily. Right now, as we are speaking, the water level is at 205.75 meter above the danger mark. We are seeing that the levels has pushed flood waters into low-lying areas, with Yamuna Bazar among the first to be affected. By early morning, water had entered residential lanes in the locality, leaving ground floors submerged and narrow alleys waterlogged. Access roads are partially cut off and movement of vehicles have become difficult. Small shops and makeshift stalls along the riverfront remain shuttered, where civic teams patrol the area to ensure residents shift to safer locations. The DM on Monday evening had directed the closure of Old Railway Bridge, a key flood gauge point, after water levels rose rapidly. Railway authorities have been requested to seal the bridge at 5 p.m. and train services are being diverted as a precautionary measure. Relief camps have been activated in Mayur Vihar, Sonia Vihar and other vulnerable pockets. Authorities are carrying out round-the-clock monitoring with disaster response teams on standby for possible evacuations. Now, the release of over 3 lakh cusecs of water from Hatnikund barrage in Haryana continues to feed the surge, and officials warn that levels may remain high over the next 24 hours. With Yamuna already above the danger threshold of 205.75 meters, the administration is maintaining a high alert status across central and East Delhi, but we are showing you the visuals of Yamuna Bazar, where the Yamuna water has already entered the residential areas, forcing the people who are living here for the past 20 years to evacuate and load their stuffs into a boat, and after which they are evacuating from this place. We'll also show you the visual of the Yamuna plain. Now, this is the main river that is flowing at the Yamuna bank. We can clearly see how strong the stream is flowing at this particular point, and people are evacuating this area. This is the same place where the Delhi Chief Minister had come last time when the water had crossed warning levels, but now we are seeing that the situation remains grim, with people who are living in low-lying areas evacuating their household because the flood water has entered the residence.